Hey guys, what is up? Today we are going to be playing Minecraft PC version as always. I extremely hope that you guys are going to enjoy this video. This is my very first top 10 video. Extremely hope that you guys enjoyed, as I've already said just before then. Now, be sure to subscribe. Don't forget to drop a like on this video. Have any questions, compliments, put down to anything in the comment section down below for a reason. Be sure to use it. Keep in touch with it because I really love it down there, guys, and I'll read every single one of you guys' comments. I'll like your comment. I'll even look at your channel, guys, if you subscribe and drop a like on that video. Now, here we are, guys. Now, this is a top 10 video. Not really, guys. This is the video saying what you guys should do on your first night, before your first night of Minecraft, and even how to survive your night at Minecraft. Now, as you would have just seen just then, I have no cheats whatsoever, no mods, no cheats, no nothing. I don't do that stuff. Okay, guys. Now, what we're going to do, right, is we're going to head straight into the game. We're going to head straight over to a tree. Now, a closest tree, guys, whatever tree, it does not really matter. Now, there's a sheep there. Usually, what you would do is get as much food as you can. Okay, guys. Now, but what we're going to do is we don't really need food at the moment. So what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to get some more trees, cut some more trees down, and yes, then I'll be right back in a minute, guys. Yeah, guys, so only cut down about 2 trees, okay? And then we're going to head to the very next step. Now, it doesn't matter if you're on PC version, console, whatever. So all I would suggest is turn all your wood into planks. Get a couple, like get 8 sticks, right? And then make a crafting table. Now, what you're gonna do from now is make a wooden pickaxe, right? And you want to get some stone. You want to come back up and you want to chop down maybe another 3. Maybe another 3. What's the name? Trees. Yeah, maybe another 3 trees. Okay, guys. And then what will happen is then you should be set. So we don't really want this andesite or whatever it's called, diorite. We don't really want that, okay, guys? But it's just their unlucky spot to dig down on, because it's just for decoration, I think. Seriously, there's so much of it here, guys. So this is all the wood that we need, guys. Just about. So yeah, just even if you only got 6, guys, because that's all that you really need. So yeah, just get about 6 wood, okay, guys. I got a little bit more than that by accident, but yeah. So here we are. I want you to make. You can make a wooden axe, right? And a wooden pickaxe, okay? Then you're gonna go ahead and keep chopping down trees. Now, with a wooden axe, I love it because you can kill animals pretty much. It's a lot like a stone, like a sword. So yeah, just get some wood, right? Now now what I tell you today, this will pretty much set you for the rest of your Minecraft world, pretty much. Yes, there's a lot more to come. Just one day I'll do a tour on my world that I've made, where I've started from scratch. But yeah, just run around, try to find a cave or whatever, and yeah. Once you've done that, go mining. Only for about 5 minutes. Only go mining for about 5 minutes, guys. So then you can but remember, get food. If you find any food anywhere, remember to get it, because you really need food. There's no way of getting food when you're down in a cave, unless if you go ahead and kill some freaking hell. If you go and kill some zombies, okay, guys? So remember that. Let's just stop that. Let's just go like that. Let's go kill that scallywags. Now this is a little bit annoying if you find scallywags or whatever, any mob on your way. There's some iron there, guys. Now we gotta bow from that. That's not always normal, but it can happen. Jeez. Extra cave down there. We're not going for an ultra mine, okay, guys? This is not a mining tutorial, okay? We're not going for a crazy mine. We're just getting a little bit of iron. That's all we came down for. We came down for iron and coal. Yeah, that's enough iron. Usually I get more. You get more for your armor and everything. Now I would suggest for you guys to do that, but if we're gonna survive the first like if we wanted to survive the first night, then we don't really need it, guys. But it all depends on what difficulty you're on as well, guys, because you could be on hard difficulty, and if you only just got Minecraft, guys, then yeah, you might find it a little bit difficult, guys. I don't know, it's been 3-4 years since I got Minecraft, guys, so yeah, I'm a little bit more advanced than someone that only just got the game, guys. So yeah, just remember, as I was saying before, just get it. If you cross past some iron, of course, get it, as I am right now. And yeah. Remember, you won't always have you sometimes you get unlucky spawns, right? There's lucky spawns and unlucky spawns. A lucky spawn would be surrounded by trees, right? But an unlucky spawn would be in the middle of the desert or something. And I've been spawned there before, guys. Is that another? Don't tell me there's another scallywags here. I just heard something, guys. But yeah, it's probably not scallywags. So this should be good. Now what you want to do, guys, is start getting some more wood, like a lot more wood. I would improve on your house later on and put the bottom 2 layers as cobblestone, but that's all down to you guys. Now just what you want to do, you don't want to make it too small of a base, guys, because that'll just, you know, just won't be the best. But yeah, this is just a video on getting yourself set for the nighttime, okay? So this will be before nighttime, alright, guys? So what we're going to do, so now that we've got a sufficient amount of wood, just going to come up here, get our wood. We're not going to make too big of a house, guys, but what you need to do is, well, what if I were you guys, I would I'd, you know, make it weirdly shaped. Just shape it in different ways, okay? So maybe that could be the door space. I don't know, guys. It's all down to you. But yeah, just you know, you can even copy me completely if you want. What's that, 5? Yeah, but also if you wanna make it look really like a lot better, then yeah, just do what I'm doing here, and yeah, do what I'm doing here, guys, and make it so that you have it identical both sides from the front. No, it doesn't have to be identical on the back, on the sides. I mean, guys, that can just be whatever. But yeah, here, and then of course we're also gonna go ahead, get our crafting table, and we are going to get a furnace. Check our furnace there. We got any coal, I mean, yeah. Boom. Start cooking your smelting your iron while you, oh my god, what a mistake. It's turning nighttime, guys, I think. Where's the sun? Okay, it is gonna be nighttime soon, guys. So if you can see that it's gonna be nighttime soon and you don't think that you're gonna make it through the night as good as you were hoping, guys, then be sure just to quickly finish off your house. Make it at least 3. Make it so you got, it'd be nice if you have, what the hell am I doing here? It'd be nice if you had at least 1 block of headspace so you can jump, alright? You don't want to feel caged in, okay? Now we're just gonna make 1 more, and we're just gonna fill it with whatever's caved down there, guys. Now I'm not gonna go mining, this is not a mining video, but one day I might do a speed video of me mining, guys, and hopefully you guys would enjoy that. But that is not today, guys. This video is almost over once we just quickly cut down, maybe, let's go 4 more trees, okay? 4 more trees, super fast, as quick as we can, okay? We're going as quick as we extremely can to cut down 4 more trees, okay? And then we're gonna go finish off our house, and then we should be done with this video. Now remember, I'm making all these videos for you guys that guys, what the hell? I'm making all these videos for you guys. So remember, if you don't have to like my videos. Of course, there's gonna be some people out there that don't enjoy or like my videos, or just want to be there just to be annoying. I don't know. But remember, as always, Now, as always, be sure to subscribe. Don't forget to drop a like on this video. If you have any questions, comments, what the hell was that? I was just running past, guys. And I saw this black figure. I'm being serious, guys. I saw this black figure just zoom straight past. Now, for today, we are not going to make it so we have one block space, because we do not have enough time for that. So we're just going to finish it off here once we have gone all the way around. Now what you want to do, now obviously we don't have enough wool to make a bed yet. We've only killed one sheep, I think it is. Stuff that bit of wood down there. Boom. So yeah, once we've done around here, as you can see, it's already turning night time. Now I've got these bits out here, what the hell? And I would tell you, I would suggest to you guys to, are we gonna have enough wood, guys? No, we are not. No. Who cares? Just use this one. But yeah, I would suggest that, guys, that you go up another layer and then you do your roof, and then you would use slabs to do your roof. Some people do stairs, but usually I just suggest that you do slabs. Now that you have your I wasn't meant to do that, guys. Now that you have your stuff, your iron, make an iron pickaxe always first. I accidentally made an iron sword, and I accidentally made a wooden sword. Never done that before, guys. Never made a wooden sword. Yeah, make an iron axe. Just do what you want with your iron. Once you get enough iron, you can make your full gear of iron, guys, and that'd just be sick. Especially for you guys, that'd just be sick. You'd be able to just go out hunting, take out those mobs, take out those animals. The animals will not fight back, guys, so don't be scared of that. You got your iron sword, and yeah, just enjoy. And remember, as always, I'll see you guys next time in another video of Minecraft PC version, as always. Now, be sure to subscribe, as I've said a lot of times in this video. Don't forget to drop a like on this video. If you have any questions, compliments, put down to anything, there's a comment section down below there for a reason, guys. Be sure to use it. I'll see you guys next time in another video of GTamo 005. See ya.